ni Lexi sa Malagihay Cocktail Club. From chill to just a little tipsy. At parang namumulutan ka pa, Lexi.
So now, hindi pwede namang puro inuman lang tayo. We need food to balance it out. And we have here the lechong baka. Very classic, paborito ng mga Pinoy. Sobrang lambot. I love the fat. It's just there to be savory. The meat itself is already enough, in my opinion. Now, here's the sisig, another Pinoy classic pulutan. Let's mix it. Alam mo naman ang sisig, dapat hinahalo ng maayos yan, di ba? Nakasaan ko yung liver. Well, tagay ulit. Tagay. I'll see you here in Malagihay. Tagay.
Lexi, uwian na ba? Bakit parang
Ano
kinuha
ba
mo
to?
pa ang menu?
Kasi, inabot sa akin ni Kit itong menu nyo. And then, nakita ko na meron pala kayong categories. Like, there's mood, there's moment, and then memory.
So, the essence of, yun nga, like I mentioned, it's the philosophy feeling kasi we like hanging out because we feel something. As
Yeah.
diba? Technically, subdivided sa tatlong categories. Mood, moment, memory. It's basically something that connects us Filipinos is yun nga, the philosophy feeling.
So, yung ininom natin ininom ko kanina, yung naubos ko.
Yeah, so
nasa core memory siya.
Yes, core memory. Because, it kind of like reminds you of something.
Should I pick?
Sure.
Maybe, nabanggit mo kasi kanina tong dipping sauce. I'm intrigued.
So first, we're gonna start with lambanog. We also use local spirits here.
Oh my!
So we have a new local rum, white rum, which is, this one is basically agricole style. Agricole style is para siyang French style rum. Then we have sotol. You can say sotol is kind of like cousin ng tequila. It's also a Mexican spirit. So here naman, it gives a lot of like barbecue-ish aroma and flavors. And then we could pour in our lemon.
There you go. Ganon
And
pala
then,
dapat. Like,
This is our red onion shrub that's made in the house. So since may suka siya, we need to put in
specifically for this drink nyo ginawa that one.
Yep. Then shake it
Okay.
hard.
Ooh.
Yes.
I love it! Oh.
So it's sour, it's savory, but it's very familiar.
Yes.
It's a bit vinegary, but still like approachable.
It tastes like the actual sausawan.
Yeah.
I now remember it. And it's good to see dipping sauce. Ano yung dipping sauce, di ba? Ano yun?
Sausawan
Sausawan,
talaga
oo. This is a good place, guys. Definitely.